Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to learn how to create a custom list. Suppose in your organization there are some of the department, let's say there is one HR department, there is one marketing department, there is one finance department, there is IT department, there is also operation department. And earlier what we are doing, suppose I do not want to type. Okay. If I write here HR and I want to fill the rest of the things. So HR is copied here, nothing else. Suppose I this list that I have created and I want to use this list in multiple of sheets. Okay. So instead of writing, suppose we have like 26, 36, 46 like kind of things, and we want to use this list in all the sheets. So I have to create a instead of typing all these department again and again, I can create a list that is called custom list and I can use. And in this way, this is not possible. Like suppose I will write here one second, mark HR. Okay. If I drag it, only HR is being copied. And like marketing, finance, IT, operation, these are not copied. Suppose we have a number of department, all the times what we need to do, we have to copy and paste kind of things we have to do, or we have to type. So this is not required. So one list that we can create, the list of departments, and this list of department, when I write HR department and I drag it, rest of the departments can also appear or can be replicated. Okay. So how we can do it? Let us say, so we can go to file. Under file, we have more options and options. So we can go for options. There is advanced. Excel options and advanced. Under this, towards the end, we can come. Towards the end, there is one edit custom list. You can see earlier we have seen because Excel understand that there is number of days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These are suppose we write Sunday. If we drag it automatically, it will bring like Monday, all these things will come. Let us say. Okay. So suppose I write Sunday. I write Sunday. So if I drag here, automatically Sunday. If I drag here, you can see what is happening. So automatically it is coming because it is already custom list is being was being created. So suppose I write here January, Jan take for example. Okay. So automatically the list will be created January, February. This is the short version. Suppose I write like January completely. JN January completely if I write. Okay. I can also drag it. I can also drag it. You can see automatically it is coming. Okay, because it is already custom list are being created. For us, suppose for our organization, these are the department, and I want to use these departments in multiple of sheets. Okay. So how can I create a custom list? I can directly go here like file, then options. We have options here. We can here under Excel options we are getting advanced. Under advanced we can towards the end we can come. Okay, there is edit custom list. In edit custom list we can see all these are there. Custom lists are already there like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, then Sunday and Monday, all these are short form and abbreviated form, and the day itself, and January abbreviated and full form are also there, you can see. Okay, all these are there. These are the different custom list. Okay, are being created. Suppose I will create a new sheets. Okay, there is already one wrongly created here. Let us delete it. We can delete also one if want. Okay, so I want to create a new list. Okay, new list. So how can I go about it? I have written here the name of the department. So here you can see. Okay. So yeah, there are two ways that we can write here HR, marketing, finance, all these things we can write. That is one way. Else, what we can do, we can already written here. Okay, we can already written here. We can make a selections of all this. Then we can import. It has come list. Then we can add. Then we can add. Okay. So now we can write here like HR. Suppose I want to drag here, we are getting all these things. Suppose I will create a new sheets, I will create a new sheets, file, new, okay, or control new, we can see. Suppose I write here HR, okay, and I want to drag it. So all these things are coming. So I have created, so this is very much essential for the people who use Excel and they want to use the same cell in multiple of sheets, the values or the data in the same cells in multiple of sheets, they can create one a list. They can create one list and use it. That's for the lesson. I will see you in the next one.